Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by verifying that your iPad is running iPad OS 26 in settings. Check for updates and install any available security or performance patches. Reboot your iPad at least once per week to clear temporary caches and processes. Open settings and confirm you have at least 20% free storage available. Close more than 5 background apps to reduce memory pressure and CPU load. Note the model and storage size so you can decide on deeper steps next. Disable background, app refresh, and location services for apps you rarely use to save CPU cycles. Turn off unnecessary widgets and reduce home screen clutter to decrease memory demands. Lower motion and reduce transparency in accessibility to reduce GPU load during animations. Keep Safari tabs and other browser tabs under 10 open to prevent memory swapping. Sign out of heavy accounts temporarily if an app is misbehaving and consuming excessive resources. Monitor battery and CPU usage in settings to spot culprits. Update or reinstall any app that shows abnormal CPU or memory usage in settings. Reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi or VPN configurations that cause freezes. Try reset all settings to restore defaults without deleting personal data first. If lag persists after these steps, back up your iPad to iCloud or a computer immediately. Perform a full erase and restore from backup to eliminate software corruption issues. After restore, test performance before reinstalling large app libraries or setting heavy widgets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.